Good morning, class! My name is Teacher Julie, and I am your English teacher for today. Are you excited to learn a new lesson? Okay, good job! So that I would like to ask everybody to please stand and let's sing and dance along as I play a video on screen. Are you ready? Okay, let's start!
Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop.
Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop.
Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. Skip, 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 skip.
Skip.
Jumping, 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 jumping. Now let's stop. Now let's stop. Walking, 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 walking. Hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's stop. Now let's stop. Let's stop.
Okay, very good.
Walking, 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 walking. Hop, hop, hop.
Do you have any idea what is a verb is? Now, let's try to figure out what is the verb are. Okay, so I have here a set of picture and tell me what they are going to do. Are you ready? Okay, now the first picture. What they are doing. Okay, Lucas. Very good. They are singing. The word is singing. The word is singing. Okay, the next picture. What is the girl doing? What is the girl doing? Okay, Anna. Okay, very good. That's right. The girl is dancing. The girl is dancing. The word is dance. The word is dance. Good job. The last picture. How about the last one? What is the boy doing? What is the boy doing? Okay, George. Okay, very good. The boy is walking. The boy is walking. The word is walk. The word is walk. We have the word walk, dance, and sing are an example of a verb. Are an example of a verb. Now, what is the verb? Now, what is the verb? Okay, everybody, please read the definition of a verb. Okay, a verb is a word that show an action. A verb is a word that show an action. Can everybody please say action? Action. Action. Okay, good job. Now I have here a sentence and let's all together figure out where is the verb in the sentence. Are you ready? Okay, good job. Let's try the first picture. Please read, everybody. Anna cleans her room. Anna cleans her room. Can anyone answer where is the verb in the sentence? Okay, The verb in the sentence is cleans. The verb in the sentence is cleans. How about the second sentence? Okay, everyone, please read. She eats her breakfast. He eats her breakfast. Can anyone answer where is the verb in the sentence? Okay, very good. The verb in the sentence is eats. The verb in the sentence is eats. Okay, the last sentence. My dog barks. My dog barks. Okay, can anyone answer where is the verb? Okay, very good. The verb in the sentence is barks. The verb in the sentence is barks. Okay, give your hand a round of applause. Very good. Now, let's have our activity. Are you ready? Okay, good job. Let's start. Our activity is a pair activity. This is a pair A, pair B, pair C, and pair D. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. The first sentence is the boy brushes his teeth. The boy brushes his teeth. Can anyone answer where is the verb in the sentence? Okay, pair letter B. Okay, very good. The verb in the sentence is brushes. The verb in the sentence is brushes. Okay, very good. The second sentence. I read books every day. I read books every day. Raise your hand. Okay, pair letter C. Okay, very good. The verb in the sentence is read. The verb in the sentence is read. Yay! Very good. The verb in the sentence is read. Very good per letter. See? Okay, now the last sentence. The birds are singing. Raise your hands. The birds are singing. Okay, per letter A. What is the verb in the sentence? Okay, very good. The verb in the sentence is singing. Singing. Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. And now, let's read the sentence. Okay, everybody read the sentence. The boy brushes his teeth. The boy brushes his teeth. The second sentence, please read, everybody. I read books every day. I read books every day. Okay, very good. How about the last one? The birds are singing. The birds are singing. Okay, good job. Very good. Give yourself a round of applause. Give yourself a round of applause. Okay, now do you have any clarification or question in our lesson? Okay, if none, let's give yourself a round of applause. Now, I am teacher Julie and thank you.